Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Harley-Davidson Touring. 2013 105th Anniversary Limited. This bagger has a 1690cc engine. This Harley-Davidson is a steal with less than 5,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Mint condition. 105th Anniversary Harley Limited. Only 4,240 miles. Screaming Eagle exhaust. Factory Garman GPS. Anniversary black and brown ribbed seat. High intensity headlamp. High intensity fog lamps. Chrome crash bars. Screaming Eagle high flow air intake. 6-speed manual transmission. 105th Anniversary badges. Good rubber on front. Good rubber on rear. Full-size trunk. Chrome luggage rack. Chrome front end with no pitting. All this bike needs is fuel and a rider to hit the friction zone.